Gamma K is back with their new and improved TK75 version 2. Inside the box you get the keyboard itself, a wire, a keycap and switch puller, a manual, and a 2.4Hz dongle. The price point is still pretty affordable at around $80 US, so this keyboard is available in two different switch options, the Phoenix V2s, which are silent linears, and the Pegasus V2s, which are silent tactiles. And thankfully, I have both of them here today. Here's a quick sound test of both switches so you guys can hear how they sound.